to the channel. My name is Joe from Crank. Today I'm going to show you that I've done hooked up our cage system in the 32 GDR, and I'm going to show you how it works and how easy it is to program our system. Let's find out. Okay, I'm so excited to get everything set up. Today we're going to talk a bit more about the technical terms, how to set up the screens, why the apps, and how everything hooked up. If you want a basic introduction of the system, please refer to the link below in the description. We'll tell you the general introduction of the system. So now I've got everything hooked up. We're going to start, and